Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to copy paste multiple cell in Excel when filter apply. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a simple data. So here I'm going to apply the filter first to simply select the cell. So you can just select the one cell here also to apply the filter and press the shortcut key Shift Control L, and here you see the filter is applied. The second way, you just select the cell, go to the data tab, and in sort and filter group have a filter option. Just click on it and here the filter apply. Then click on this drop down arrow and just I select some products. First I deselect this all and I select here some product. Okay. So I select this one and here's the data is filtered. Okay. So this data is visible now. So this data I want to copy paste in another area. Okay. So simply select the data. You can select by mouse and you can use the shortcut key Control A to select the data. Then don't press the Control C to copy first. Press first Alt semicolon. Okay. After the Alt semicolon, you just press the Control C. Select the destination where you want to paste. So I select this cell and use the Control V to paste this data. See, only selected data is pasted here. So when your data is filtered, you have to use the Alt semicolon to select only visible cell. Okay. So this is a way you can copy paste the multiple cell when filter is applied on your data. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.